and welcome to Save Money by Making Your Own Vanilla. Well, I actually have saved money by making my own vanilla, and here's what I'm going to tell you. We started this project on September 28th, and if you'll remember correctly, I was complaining that vanilla had gone up to $24 a pint at the store where I buy it. Motorcycle Break. Okay, so I started making vanilla on June 28th. So this is bottle number 1. This is the one with the unsliced beans, and it is ready, and I've been using it. It smells wonderful, not particularly dark, you can see, but I have been using it. It's perfect. This is bottle number 2, which was started 2 weeks later, and it's almost there. It seems to me like it takes about 10 to 12 weeks for the vanilla to have that vanilla smell and to kind of lose the alcohol scent. So this bottle's almost ready, and my plan is to combine these 2 bottles into 1 bottle of vanilla and take the beans, the sliced beans, remember, are in this one, the unsliced beans in this one. I'm going to combine all the beans into 1 container and put more vodka in and start more vanilla. This is the rum, and this has the chopped up beans in it. It's nice and dark. It still has a pretty pungent alcohol smell, but that was made 3 weeks later than this one, and it's close. You can still smell the rum. It still has that rum smell and alcohol smell, but beautiful coloring, and that's the chopped up into approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch chunk beans. And this is my bourbon. I have not been drinking this, I swear. From McLaughlin Distillery in Swickley, and you can see it's beautifully nice and dark. It still smells very much like bourbon though, so I think this will be a little bit longer, and this has the split beans in it. So today I went to my local Gordon food service store and was picking up some items for my business, and I thought, oh, I should check and see how much vanilla is. Are you ready? Are you sitting down? Wait, I forgot one thing. I calculated out I have about $240 into all this vanilla, okay? So what I have here is basically 29, or no, is that what it was? 29 ounces? About 29 ounces of vanilla in here, 29 ounces, 29, almost a quart of vanilla in each one, which is 2 pints, okay? So basically I have just about 2 pints in each of these, and I did use this for a while, so this would be like 8 pints of vanilla that I made. That cost me $240, largely because I bought the rum, which was a lot more than the vodka, and the bourbon, which was a lot more than the rum or the vodka. Okay? So, the vanilla at Gordon Food Service, a pint of real vanilla, today is $38.99. $38.99. The vanilla beans I bought were only $35. So, here's what I'm saying. If you were to buy a pack of vanilla beans for $35 and a 1/5 of vodka, and I bought decent quality vodka, not great, but not the cheapest, and it was $7, just under $8. So if you bought that, you would actually be ahead of the game, because it would be cheaper for you to buy the vanilla beans and the vodka and make your own vanilla than it would be to buy the equivalent 2 pints of vanilla, which would cost you right now $78 for 2 pints of vanilla. $78. And for just about $43, you could make a big bottle like this of vanilla. Okay? So I'm saying is, yes, in fact I did save money by making my own vanilla. Can you believe it? Now, if only I had made a lot more vanilla, I could be selling it right now, but I didn't. So, I'm very excited that I did in fact make money, as you can tell. And it's the street value is the thing. This basically right here, the street value of this vanilla right here would be $311.72. Right here. $311.72. So I've made a profit so far of around, what did I say, $72.11, just about. A profit of about $72. So this is the first time in my life I've ever made a profit. I'm very excited about it. I'd like you to share it with all your friends that I did, in fact, save money by making my own vanilla. Thanks a lot for following this silliness, and the vanilla's good. I mean, not that I'm surprised, but hey, it worked. So my best vanilla advice to you is this. The split beans, leave them whole and split them. Made a very nice dark colored vanilla. However, this vanilla has a beautiful smell to it, and I left the beans whole. And as the Barefoot Contessa says, you can take the bean out, snip the end off, and squeeze the little filling out in and make something delicious with it, like icing or a pudding or a creme brulee or something like that. So either one of these two methods, I would say, are the best methods. The chopping it up, kind of messy. So that's what I would recommend. Thanks a lot for following me, and have a wonderful day.